All right, here we have Bondic. This is really cool. It's kind of a replacement for super glue, things that need fixing, and we know super glue doesn't usually hold. It's actually a plastic welder, so it's a liquid plastic. Kind of, if you've ever chipped a tooth or needed some composite put in your mouth at the dentist, kind of uses a similar technology with this liquid plastic, and then you squeeze that out, and then this UV light is actually what makes it hold. I'm really excited about this one. This is really cool. As you can see, it can do wires, leaks, all kinds of stuff. I won't get into all the directions here. Looks, pretty straightforward. So let's check it out. Clearly this is the UV light right here. And it's got a little switch for when we're ready for that. Wow, very bright, very cool. And then, okay, let's see. I think this is the tube. Oh yeah, you can see it. There it is. You can definitely feel this is where my left hand is. This is a bit squeezable. Squeezable meaning, it could come out. You don't squeeze it too hard. And then this pops off. Yeah, you can see I kind of squeezed a little bit out there unintentionally. But anyhow, let's give it a try on something real quick. All right, here we are with what better than a kid's toy arrow. Now my goal is just to get this back together. Will it actually shoot straight? In the end, looks like it already had a little bend in it, right? But these things, they get stuck and the kid pulls it, pops right off because it's suctioned really well. So I'm gonna give this a test by just putting this around the edges here. Kind of going for the not too much, but not too little. One thing I really like about this so far is if this was super glue, I would definitely have to be concerned. Oh no, it's gonna, dry too quick. So, just make sure I have enough here. Just put a small layer here. I mean, you can see this thing is struggling here. It's pretty broken. So, okay. Now, looks as though it needs to be lined up this way here. Yeah. Okay, so let's put that there. And I may. Okay, there's the fit right there. So let's do this too. Put a little on the outside. And then hopefully, probably saw it moved again. It's an interesting project. Other things might be easier. All right. Again, will this ever shoot straight again is a separate issue because lining it up is a challenge. Okay, let's do it now. Good enough. Point is more to see if it holds, not to recreate a straight arrow if they ever flew straight in the first place. So it says about 4 seconds. I'm just thinking, why not go a little longer? This thing is bright. I mean, you definitely wouldn't want to put this in your eyes or anything. Okay, so for firsts, let's see if we got the initial hold. Wow, we did. We got a little paper towel with it. Oh wow, it really dried in there. Okay. Just want to add a little to the back side. Ideally, I'd have my child here helping me that broke this to help hold it. Now, I'm gonna hold this down, flip it on. This is definitely strong. I mean, I can already feel the strength. Count to 8 or so. All right, I mean, they say 4 seconds, should be plenty. I'm pulling. Wow. I'm pulling, I work out. I mean, I cannot pull this apart. That is really cool. I mean, the straightness of the arrow, it probably slipped a little. That's my own problem. Didn't want to keep you waiting here to get this perfect. All right. So you can see with the arrow, it's pretty powerful, pretty strong. Don't know if that arrow will survive. Even the initial plastic isn't always strong enough for a kid, right? But anyways, you get the point. So Bondic works good. Probably good for tons of different projects, do-it-yourself projects, or just fixing things, fixing toys to hold better than super glue.